What's going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a flaming part fall from the sky that kills players. So first we're going to need a part, and then in that part you insert object and then find fire. And then you can make your fire colors if you want, or change the size. I'm just going to change the size to 20 because I like the fire big. I don't know. And in that part, insert a script. Okay, so script. Okay, get rid of the print hello world. And what you write in the script is script.parent.touched connect. And then just put something, function, let's just say function hit. Okay. Apparently you then if hit.parent find first child brackets humanoid. I can't spell it today. It's just fun. Then hit.parent break joints, which basically kills the player. Then we need an end to close the function. And that should be it for that, except I need to change this O to a lowercase o. Okay, now put this part into a lighting or service storage something. I'm just gonna put in lighting. I'm not trying to do that, thanks. Okay, enter the script into service. First we gotta define the part. Local part equals game dot lighting, or wherever you put the part. Then your part name. Mine's just part. No, I don't. Not party. Local clone, because we gotta clone the part. Game. No, not game. Look. Part clone. Why do I keep capitalizing the second letter? Oh my gosh, clone. And then while true do. Actually, you might, instead of while true, just put while wait. Like how fast do you want them to spawn? I'm just gonna put wait 5 do. And then I'm gonna make local variables so I can change the part math. Well, change the part's position randomly. Math.random, and then 1 to 10, and then local y equals, I don't want the y to change, so I'm just gonna put 20. And then local z equals math.random, not brackets, and then 1 10. So the x can change from 1 to 10, so it'll go in a square. The y won't change at all. And then part dot position equals vector 3 dot new, and then x comma y comma and then z. So it'll set the position, and then we gotta actually don't put part dot position, put clone dot position. Because then it'll set the position of the part, and you don't want that. And then clone dot parent equals game dot workspace, and just to make sure, clone dot anchored equals false. So now if we go into Studio and play this, we should see flaming parts falling from the sky that'll kill it in different areas, that'll kill you on touch. So once this game loads, we shall see if it works. That beautiful little Roblox thing that doesn't even spin. Well, it spins sometimes, but sometimes I lag. Well, there's a flaming part right there. Whoa, it's a flaming part. I'm gonna wait for another one to spawn somewhere. There'll be one eventually. But at least it kills you. See, it kills you. Hold up, I need to just see why. Hold on. I'm gonna check why it's not spawning as fast or something. Part clone. And I'm just gonna make this a lot less time. And I'm just gonna run the game because you already know it kills you. Run. I should probably even check. There's a flaming part right there. That game's probably really lagging. That's why it's not falling. But there should be more parts soon. Actually, there should be parts spawning every second. Let's open this back up. Well, yeah, it should work. It's just my game's really laggy. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.